Hello everybody, and this is Cajun. Welcome to Cajun's YouTube channel, and today we have an unboxing video for you. So y'all stay tuned. We're going to break open this box and see what we got. Y'all ready to see what's inside the box? We've got our safe little box opener right here. It's curved, it's in the inside, so we can go at an angle on top of the box to not break any products or cut any products that's in the box. Look at that, how easy that was, folks. Let's see. Got a little protective piece of cardboard in case you do cut it with something. Oh, this is going to come out easy. Look at here. Here we come, the big reveal. Look what, look what we got, folks. A bird feeder. Look at that. Look at here. FeatherSnap bird feeder with a camera, and it lets you know the identity of the bird and the species. That is pretty cool. Folks, let me show you. I got my little remote control. We're going to zoom in right here. Check this out. Can y'all see that? There we go. Now we're going to get into the box. So here's some of the features that the FeatherSnap bird feeder includes. HD photos and videos, a bird book, year-round durability. If you want premium features, there's a subscription required. Solar powered, and it's a dual feeder. That's pretty cool. Solar powered, you don't need any batteries. That is awesome. So let's talk about the HD photos and videos. It says their high resolution camera captures every detail of birds. Features for the photos and videos. Collect an assortment of species at your feeder. Curate your bird book with your unique photos and videos. That's pretty cool. Built to withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring reliability and long-lasting performance. Pretty well built bird feeder. So let's see what they say about the subscription. Enjoy free live views of birds, but get even more out of your bird watching adventures with a premium subscription including photo and video storage, the ability to earn badges, and more. So there you go. You can be a part of a group of bird watchers online. You can get badges and more, and probably we'll have to look at the subscription, look at the website. That'll be another video. We'll go through that. I think that could be pretty cool. And it says it's solar powered, so it elevates your bird watching experience with a solar powered roof, providing extended battery life so you can enjoy uninterrupted bird watching. That's pretty cool. We'll have to look and see if you can put rechargeable batteries in, or if it has its own battery inside. It has dual feeder, so it says 2 is always better than 1, and with our dual feeder you can provide your feathered friends with 2 food options to draw in more species. So that's pretty cool too. Y'all want to get into this box and see? I know I do. Let's see here. We're going to be real careful to not cut ourselves or anything inside the box that doesn't need to be cut. Right, Bella? We got Bella sitting right here. Bella's the director. Huh, Bella? Look, let me show y'all, folks. Let me get the phone out right here. This is my second camera. Let me get a picture of baby Bella right there. So that's Bella right there in her chair. She's snoozing on her job. She's supposed to be giving me ideas and hints here. Bella, you want a treat? There's Bella. See, if you say the word treat, she gets up. Good job, Bella. Go back to sleep. We'll have to show y'all that video of Bella. So let's get back to work. Bella, we get back to work. No more break time for us. We're going to open this up. Let's see what we get when we open the box. Look here, folks. We have a card. It's a quick start guide. Welcome to the flock. It's got what's in the box. We should have a bird feeder, universal mounting bracket, Wi-Fi enabled camera, removable rechargeable battery, mounting hardware, a charging cable, optional mounting strap. And then number 2 is getting started. Fully charge the battery with included cable until all 3 green LEDs are lit. Then insert the battery into the camera. That's easy enough. Create an account. There we go. Follow this QR code to create an account. Add subscription to store photos, videos, and curate your bird book. It's pretty neat. Number 4, add feeder app. Beep. Number 4, add the feeder to the app. Ensure FeatherSnap app is downloaded. Open the app and log into your account. While on the home screen, click Activate Feeder and follow the on-screen instructions. That's cool. Number 5, feeder setup. The camera should now be connected. Slide camera into the feeder with power button facing up. Choose a mounting location. I think I have a mounting location already outside. We had a feeder. It wasn't electronic or nothing. It was a basic feeder, and we still have the pole outside. And I believe I can slide it on the pole. And when I do that, I'll have my other camera from the live deer cam that I use watching the bird feeder, so we can keep an eye on it when birds are visiting. That'll be cool. We may put it out there by the deer cam and just have it all on one camera. We may do that. And it says number 6 is, let's see, mounting. Mount the feeder on the universal bracket and then mount the feeder in the location of your choice. Or mount the feeder on a standard 1-inch bird feeder pole. That's what I have outside already. Number 7, the seed guide. Fill feeder with the seed of your choice. Use the dual chambers for some seed and 2 different variants of seed. And it has a QR code here, folks. It says scan this QR code for access to full owner's manual. Need more help? It says our team of experts are here to help. Simply reach out to our customer service team via chat, phone, and it gives the phone number, or email, it gives the email. Additional information can also be found on our website, and it gives their website. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to keep this handy. We're going to put this right here on the table. Let's see what's next. Oh, look at here. Another protective piece of cardboard. And look, in a nice piece of plastic, we have the accessories, the battery, the strap. So look right here, we have the, looks like the mount, the charging cable, the rechargeable battery. Oh, I know what this is. This is the camera. Look at this nice camera right here, and it has a QR code on it. Oh, that might be, that's a data code, I think. It's got a plug, 2 plugs. Oh, this is nice. Nice little camera. Charging cables. We have some hardware, and we have the mounting strap. Look at that, to protect the bird feeder rather. So they have handles. Check this out, folks. So when you're ready to take the bird feed out of the box, you grab the handles on both sides of the protected foam, and it comes right out of the box. Look at that. We got to wiggle it a little bit. It's coming. Boom. So we can take it. We're going to go ahead. We're going to put this back in the box. We're going to put this back in the box. We like to be neat. We'll move the box right here. Look at here. Watch this, how easy this is. Boom. Boom. Hey folks, there's our bird feeder. And thanks for the bird feeder. We can't wait to install it. So we like to keep our box. So we're going to move our bird feeder. Put this over here. Put our bird feeder right there. And so what we need to do now, we're going to put this back in our box. everything's falling on the floor, Bella. Put this in the box. We're going to put this in the box. This on top. Close this. Close this. Close this. There we go, folks. We got a nice solar panel bird feeder right there. That's our opening box video for today. We got FeatherSnap's solar powered bird feeder with dual channels, so you can put 2 different types of bird feed in to attract more species. So now what we need to do is we need to get everything together, get a plan on where we're going to put it, get the battery charged up, and then we're going to show y'all how to create the app so y'all can have the same experience we have. Thanks for watching today's unboxing video. This is the Cajun's YouTube channel, and Bella's right here. Look at Bella. Bella, say hello, Bella. We thank y'all. Please hit the subscribe button. If you like it, hit the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or you have any ideas for us. Help us improve our channel and your experience. We really appreciate it. This is the Cajun. We'll see you later. Have a great day.